Lots of excitement in South City. Hundreds came together to watch an international event. As Fox 2's John Gadsden shows us, in the Bosnian community, today's soccer match was by far the only game in town.
Bosnia versus Portugal, a key soccer match, and for these Bosnian Americans, one worth jumping up and down for and singing about.
This game is the biggest game probably that's ever happened with Portugal.
More than 300 rabid fans packed the Aqua Bar in South City. No fans of the Portugal team to be found here, just fans of the yellow and blue. This kid with his face painted is blushing with team pride. Many others are just draped in their former country's flag.
Really exciting. If we win, it's probably gonna be the best thing that's ever gonna happen to us.
The game played in Bosnia, so it's a home game and the right to go further in the all-important World Cup.
St. Louis has over 50,000 to 6,000 Bosnian people living here, immigrated here. We all are Americans, but we still love our country.
A couple of early scoring chances in the first half for the yellow and blue, but Portugal's goalie came up big, and those near misses still didn't dampen these fans' zest for the game.
We live with our teams as supporters, and it is very big. So when you see a crowd like this, the only thing I can say is we are proud to support our national team.
If the Bosnia team wins, it's on to the finals in South Africa.
We hope Bosnia wins in Bosnia.
And that would be a dream ending for the Bosnian Dream Team. John Gadsden, Fox 2 News.
A lot of excitement. Unfortunately, late this afternoon, the Bosnian national team took it on the chin. Portugal scored in the 56th minute, and Bosnia lost 1-0.